Meaning of hobby horse.
Hobby horse.
Hobby horse.
Hobby horse.
Hobby horse. The term hobby horse can have a few different meanings. Originally, it referred to a children's toy consisting of a stick with a horse's head at the end that they'd ride around on. However, now it's more commonly used to describe a person's favorite leisure activity or interest. It's something they enjoy doing in their free time as a hobby. Examples could include playing a musical instrument, painting, or even birdwatching. Essentially, a person's hobby horse is what they find enjoyable and fulfilling outside of their regular work or responsibilities.